let's go for a drive. Where's our car at? Oh, that's right. We got to go get it. Let's go get the C5 Corvette. All right, guys, we are here at picking up our beauty. First start up with the new clutch. Feels a lot different. Yeah, that's a lot different. Just the pressure on the clutch feels so much different. Like before, it was real loose and effortless to push down the clutch all the way down to the floor, shift, it'll come all the way back up. But there's supposed to be some pressure there, and there really wasn't previously, but now there is. So now I know what it's actually supposed to feel like when it's brand new. All right, guys, we just walked out of Oddball office here. Got our receipt for all of the work we got done. Those guys are awesome. Again, we just had another 10-minute talk and laugh session of some of the work that was done, some future upgrades, some things that I'm gonna include you guys on, like obviously the seats and the voting for stuff like that. Let me show you guys the car. But they gave me some information as I was leaving out, or right just before I was leaving out of the door there, just to break in the clutch to about 500 to 700 miles there. Be easy on it when coming from a stop light, stop sign, whatever. Don't smack it. Ease into it. When the clutch is fully engaged, you can do whatever you want. One of the guys said in there. But as you can see, we're really dirty here. This is the dirtiest this car has been since the hydroplane wreck. So we've got to go home, at least non-contact wash with this first. I've got to go do a pressure washing job on a house today also. So this thing will probably just get a spray down, and I'll be on my way doing some more work. So we just spent some money, so now we got to go make some money to get some money back to do some more things with. We got some investing to do to make some more money. We got some more stuff with this, like I said, the seats and some other upgrades that we may want to do later on. But I'm going to be sending them, Oddball, some links of some things that you guys vote on, some things that we may want to do here. But other than that, guys, I appreciate these guys. Great work. Awesome work. This is a reputable shop for me now. When I have problems with vehicles, this is where it's coming. Another one is the Avenue Auto Clinic. So if you guys are in the Willoughby, Painesville, Menor area, here is a good reputable shop for you guys to bring your vehicles. They do good work. They do good work on sports vehicles, lifted trucks, whatever. So if you got a vehicle, needs work, bring it here. So to get a decent drive in, maybe about 30 minutes here with the Corvette, and get it on home, get it pressure washed, no contact wash there, so just use a foam can and spray it down, let it sit and dwell, and then spray it off with water. And that'll be it for that moment, until I have some more time, probably when I get back home from the pressure washing job. But thankful we have our C5 Corvette back. Again, Our guy Vincent, one of the popular subscribers on our channel, left a comment of the update excuse me, about the C5 Corvette. He gave us I gave him the update in those 2 videos that I posted yesterday. So hopefully you guys can watch that video. I've did some more explaining in that video. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got some more content coming with the C5 Corvette. Hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.